Hello stalkers, welcome back. We are seeing a powerful closing in Dubai Financial Market Index. Today it has closed above 4,300 points. This is very solid, this is very powerful. During the day it came down to retest till about 4,270 and then we are seeing a good recovery. Closing is at 4,308 as expected. Once it crossed the resistance of 4,240 area, I was expecting upside momentum. Next area of resistance, as we have already marked, is at 4,360. Now the main important thing here is to identify whether this bullish run will continue directly to the upside or it will take a pause on the way, come down for a correction, and retest 4,280, that is a support for now, and then maybe it can make a new high to touch the next area of resistance. Well, there are chances that after going a bit higher, it can take a pause because rally have started from 4,220 and market has already touched 4,300. So there are chances either it will take a pause or maybe it can come down to retest support, take a breather, establish a base, and then again we see a new move to the upside. Overall, DFM market index is very bullish, no doubt. It's in a strong uptrend. Weekly closing is very important. We will see how the DFM index closes over the week. And being Friday tomorrow, there are chances that we may see some profit booking, as investors and traders do not like to hold their positions over the weekend. Any negative news may impact their positions. This is the daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index, still struggling, but it's above the support zone. We have already marked our area, that is at 9,245. Today it breached but somehow managed to close above the zone at 9,254. For now, this is still a breather. At least after this drop to the downside, it's just going sideways. This can be scary as well, because if at all it cannot break the resistance and go higher from here, then the only option here is to go lower, and then in this scenario it can retest 9,160. I hope that does not happen and we see some bullish scenario. We want to see market soon climbing up and close above the last swing, that is at 9,435 area. Let me tell you that there are good stocks in ADX market that are reversing and it's good time for entries. So pick your stocks very carefully. There is no point blocking your capital in dead stocks and seeing losses. So again, ADX market is still in a strong downtrend right from 9,840 area. For now, it's just taking a breather near the support. Maybe the index wants to reverse from here, we don't know. Let's see how it closes for the weekend and then we will freshly analyze in detail. This is the daily chart of Presight. I'm sure many buyers must have trapped today because it tried to cross the resistance in a downtrend, which is very difficult to cross and close. Today it hit 1.80. It was unable to break this resistance area. After a strong drop from about 1.96, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in red, today it opened with a gap down. It tried to break the resistance, no strength from the buyer side. They could not break past the resistance and close above it. And the gains that it made during the day, it fizzled out. Closing is at 1.70. Still, Presight is looking negative. Do not try to be under any FOMO just by looking at the price just going up, but actually the trend is to the downside. Any move up in this stock is a bull trap, so avoid this one. Here also we saw after this strong move to the downside, this is just a short recovery and maybe there are chances it can even make a new low. In order to establish a proper trend or show us some early signs of reversal, what I would want to see is after this downside, I want to see it establish a base here, break the first resistance that is at 1.80, slowly come back for a retest at 1.80 again. When it breaks this area of resistance that is 1.95 and manages to close above it, this is when we can call it bullish. Then this zone will act as a support and from here onwards it may try to cross next hurdles and start a fresh trend to the upside. So for now, if at all you see one green candle, do not get excited. Let it give us proper price action. That's when we can call this a positive stock. For now, it's in a strong downtrend. Try and avoid this stock. For my stock recommendations and detailed analysis, join my membership. Link is in the description box below. That's it guys for now. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.